Text Part 3 Converse Property for the lesson Angles and Lines. We may also state the converse property if two lines cut by a secant form two equal corresponding angles or two equal alternate angles, then these lines are parallel. So نحن in previous videos we said that إذا في عندي two lines parallel وكان في عندي secant هال alternate angles راح يكونوا equal. So parallel then alternate angles equal. So هلا عم نحكي عن ال converse property. شو يعني؟ يعني إذا في عندي two lines يعني لحد هلا ما بعرف إذا هني parallel وفي عندي secant وهون في عندي two alternate angles. Okay, let's assume that إنه هيدي 70 degrees وكمان هيدي 70 degrees. So منلاحظ هون إنه alternate angles are equal, so the lines are parallel. So هيك صارت ال converse property. قبل كنا عم نقول parallel يعني ال alternate equal. إذا ال alternate equal يعني these lines are parallel. For the same reasoning فينا نقول كمان إذا عندي two lines parallel then the corresponding angles are equal, and if the corresponding angles are equal then the two lines are parallel. So هيدول سميناهم ال converse properties. So to prove two lines are parallel, then we have to prove that two of the corresponding angles are equal, or we could prove that two of the alternate angles are equal. So prove that the line CD and EF are equal or parallel, sorry. So if we see this angle DJK, this angle equals 117 degrees, and the other angle, which is here, the angle JKE, also it equals to 117 degrees. So as we see that these two angles are alternate, as we see here, they lie at the opposite sides of the secant, to the right of the secant and to the left of the secant, and we could make the Z test for them. So the alternate angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. So هيدي اللي سميناها ال converse property. فإذا إذا عندي two alternate angles وكان هال alternate angles هن equal معناتها هال two lines راح يكونوا parallel. Then هون عم نقول the two angles are alternate وهن كمان equal, so CD parallel to EF since they have two equal and alternate angles. So نتذكر ال property موجودة عندنا بالكتاب. If two lines cut by a secant form two equal alternate angles, then these two lines are parallel. So خلينا نشوف this exercise. بيقول prove that the two lines AP and EF are parallel. طيب أنا شو عندي هون؟ عندي this angle and this angle. And the angle PCR equals 70 degrees, and we have the other angle FRO, it equals also 70 degrees, and they are corresponding angles. They occupy the same position, to the right bottom, to the right bottom. So they are corresponding angles. So as we notice that we have two corresponding and equal angles, so the two lines are parallel. So AP is parallel to EF since they have two equal and corresponding angles, and the property is from our textbook: if two lines cut by a secant and form two equal and corresponding angles, then these two lines are parallel. And then the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So how to prove that the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees? So let's see, here we have to prove the sum of angles. Let's draw a line that's parallel to the base of this triangle that's passing through the vertex here. Then, as the red lines, they are parallel lines. So, as you see here, we could denote them x and y. So here we have the angle x, a, and y. If we look here, we could see the shape Z. So C and Y are equal since they are alternate. So we could put C. On the other hand, we have the angle Z and angle B are alternate and they are equal. So we could put B. So as we notice, A plus B plus C are supplementary. So A plus B plus C, they are equal, their sum equals to 180 degrees. So look here, we have A and B and C. A, B, and C are the angles of triangle. So by this way, we could prove that the sum of the angle of triangle is 180. So the sum of this angle and this angle and this angle, their sum is also 180 degrees.